Hi, my name is Priyanka. I had a great learning journey with the eVision TechnoServe, and I'm happy to share that I have been placed at Cognizant as an system engineer. The training provided was excellent and focused strongly on practical, industrial relevant skills, which helped me gain confidence and prepare for real-world IT roles. The trainers were very supportive and explained concepts clearly until we fully understood them. I'm truly grateful for the guidance and continuous support from Deepthi ma'am, placement team, and the entire staff. Their encouragement and structured training played a key role in my placement. I would highly recommend eVision TechnoServe to anyone looking to start or grow in their career in IT industry. Thank you.